Hi guys, this is your flipped lesson for January 11th, 2017. So I've gathered my colored pencils, my different colored pens, my two worksheets that I need. This is the worksheet that's going to go in our interactive notebook on page 8, and then the worksheet that I'll review after we get done with the notes. Okay? My scissors and glue, or I use scrapbook double-sided tape. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to color your sheet. Remember to color it first because then it doesn't, it's not so hard to cut out. And what I've done is I've colored my subject and the linking verb and the noun different colors. So the links I've colored different colors. I have actually color coded mine so that subjects are yellow. Okay. And because subjects can be nouns or pronouns, I went ahead and colored the noun yellow as well. Maybe just a different shade of yellow, or you could pick a different color if you would like. Okay. The linking verb, I used the same color from the page that we did on Friday, so mine is kind of a reddy orange for linking verbs. So I just need to find the right red orange. This is it. And color that in. Okay. And you color all of that in. And then color the bottom, and for me, adjectives are purple. Let's see if I can find my purple here. There it is. Okay. And then I did the same thing with linking verbs. I colored it the red-orange. Okay. And then the subject I colored yellow. So when you go to cut these out, you're going to cut all the way around them. Okay. Like that. I'm not doing this very neat because I already have mine cut out, but I want to show you. You're going to end up with two separate little pieces here. Okay. And you'll do the same thing for the predicate adjectives that I'm doing here. So once you get this cut out, then you're going to fold it forward. Okay. And I'm going to switch to my colored copies here. Don't throw away the bottom of your paper though, because it's got the sentences on it that we're going to use for notes. So I'm going to do predicate nouns first, predicate nominatives first. So you see I folded this part forward. I'm going to put my double-sided sticky tape on here. So I can tape it down. Okay, push that on there, really good, and I'm going to remove that, and I'm just going to place this right at the top here, using my line as a guide, so that it's straight. There we go. Okay. And then I will take my predicate adjective. Okay. And that there. So I'm folding that forward. Taking my tape again. straight. So I'm trying to get it a little bit straighter here. And then I'm going to push this one down, about right there. And there's a reason that I left a little bit of space at the bottom here, okay, just to separate it a little bit more, okay? Now, the first thing that we need to do when we flip it up is we need to write down what a predicate adjective is and what a predicate noun is. So I'm going to take my pens, and I'm using my flares, of course. So I'm just going to write right here at the top. Actually, I'm going to write it here at the bottom. A predicate nominative is a noun that renames the subject. Okay, so there's the definition right there. And then at the bottom of predicate adjective, I'm going to write a predicate adjective describes the subject. Okay, there we go. Now I can go ahead and cut these lines straight up. Okay, on both the predicate noun and the predicate adjective part. You'll notice I'm not cutting all the way up, leaving a little bit more at the top there in between the words. And then I'm just going to fold these back like this. Okay. I'm going to do the same down here. Okay. Just like that. Alright. So we're going to start with predicate nominative. Nominative is just a fancy word for noun. Okay? So, I'm going to put that in parentheses at the end here. N-O-U-N. That's basically what that is. Alright, so, taking my colored pencils again, and using the sentences that were at the bottom of your sheet. Okay. First we need to find the ones that have the nouns in it. So I'm going to look at sentences 1 through 6, and I'm going to underline my verbs twice. I'm going to get rid of my prepositional phrases. So the first sentence, my headache became worse. Became is my verb. Okay. And predicate nouns and predicate adjectives only work with linking verbs. Okay. So only with linking verbs. I'm going to put this up top. Only with linking verbs. Okay. And so became is my verb, and headache is my subject. Okay. Worse describes the headache, so it is an adjective. So that's going to go under predicate adjective. So let's write that one down there right now, since we're there. So the subject is my headache. Became is the linking verb, so that's going to go under the middle section. And then worse is the adjective, and that's going to go under the adjective section. Okay. Second sentence says, Charlie seems upset about his grades. Now I know about his grades is a prepositional phrase. Seems is my verb. Charlie is my subject. And then upset is an adjective. So again, it's going to go down here. Charlie is the subject. So it goes under the subject. Seems is my linking verb. Upset about his grades goes under the adjective portion. Even though about his grades is a prepositional phrase, it's still going to go with upset. Okay, next one. Of Louisiana is a prepositional phrase. Is my verb. Baton Rouge is my subject. And capital is a noun that renames Baton Rouge. So this is a noun. So this is going to go up top here. Okay. So my subject, Baton Rouge. B-A-T-O-N-R-O-U-G-E. Is the linking verb. The capital goes under the noun portion. A-L. Of Louisiana. Okay. I'm missing an I in there, but that's okay. The platypus is a mammal is our next sentence. Is my verb. Platypus is my subject. Mammal is a noun that renames platypus, so that's going to also go up top. So, the platypus is my linking verb, a mammal, under the noun portion. Okay. The next one, this job seems difficult. Seems is my verb. Job is the subject. Difficult is an adjective, so I'm going to go down to the bottom one again. And I'm going to put this job under the subject. Seems is my linking verb under the center section. Seems difficult is the adjective, and that goes under the last little flap there. The next sentence is, John is the president of student council. So, of student council, prepositional phrase, is the verb, John is my subject, president is a noun that renames John, so that's going to go up top here. So, John is my subject. Is the verb. The president of, and I'm just going to put SC for short, student council, and that goes under that last link. So you see, just like that. And your page is done. Okay, and that is page 8 in your interactive notebook. And I'm running out of space here, but predicate nouns, predicate adjectives on page 8 in your table of contents, and then simple sentence notes is page 9. It's page 9. All right, so read the instructions on your worksheet, and using the notes that we just took, go ahead and